Good morning, students. Now today we are going to discuss about module number third. In module number third, first of all, we will discuss about gravitational field. So, what is the meaning of gravitational field? Gravitational field means the space around a material body in which a body exerts force on another body. That is called gravitational field. Let us consider a body of mass m. Space around this material body, or we can say that this material body modify their space. Modify their space means it changes space around it. It means when another body of mass m take in this body, then gravitational force exert on this body. This gravitational force will provide gravitational field. So, meaning of gravitational field. Any material body modify their space. This modifies space, that is called gravitational field. Next one is gravitational field intensity. Gravitational field intensity. Gravitational field intensity is defined as ratio of gravitational force to mass of a body, that is called gravitational field intensity. So, gravitational field intensity can be represented as capital E, that is equal to ratio of mass, ratio of force exerted between two bodies divided by the mass of the body. Unit of gravitational field intensity, that is unit of force Newton, unit of mass kilogram, Newton per kilogram. Dimensional formula of gravitational field intensity. Dimensional formula of gravitational force M1 L1 T minus 2 divided by the mass of the body M. So we get L1 T minus 2. This formula is formula of acceleration. So we can say that gravitational field intensity, that is equivalent to acceleration due to gravity. Next, expression for gravitational field intensity. Expression for gravitational field intensity. Let us consider a body of mass capital M. Another body of mass small m placed at a distance r, r1. We want to calculate gravitational field intensity at point P. At point P, this distance from the center of this body, that is r1, according to Newton's law of gravitation, the force of attraction between these two bodies, F is equal to G m divided by r1 square. Now, as we know, gravitational field intensity E, that is equal to F divided by m. Therefore, E, that is G m upon r1 square multiplied by mass. of the ball. So we get Gm divided by R1 square. Gm divided by R1 square. This is gravitational field intensity. Next one is gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy means energy associated by body due to its position in gravitational field of another body, that is called gravitational potential energy. Energy possessed by body due to its position in gravitational field of Earth, that is called gravitational potential energy. Let us consider Earth be a perfect sphere of mass m. Let us consider Earth be a perfect sphere Earth be a perfect sphere of mass m and radius r. A body of mass small m is at infinity. If we move the body of small m from infinity to a particular point P, then at point P, the force of attraction between the Earth and a body of mass small m F is equal to G m divided by x square. X is the distance between this body and the Earth. Small amount of work done to move the body from point P to Q. Small amount of work. Amount of work done to move body from P to Q. P to Q. Therefore, dW, that is equal to F into dx, force multiplied by distance, that is work done. Putting the value of F from equation second in equation, therefore dW, that is equal to Gm m divided by x square into dx. Now integrating both sides within proper limit, dW, that is minimum work done, that is 0, maximum, that is W, and putting the limit on right hand side, that is minimum, that is infinity, and maximum, that is r, radius of the Earth, means on the surface of Earth. Now integration of dW, that is W, 0 से W, Gmm constant. Now dx divided by x square, infinity to r. Now integration of 1 by x square with respect to dx, we get Gmm x की power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 infinity to r. Now negative sign taking out, this can be written as minus Gmm x की power minus 2 plus 1, that is 1 by x, putting limits infinity to r. Now minus Gmm 1 by m r upper limit minus lower limit, 1 by m infinity. So 1 by m r minus 1 upon m infinity, as we know 1 upon m infinity, that is 0. Therefore this can be written as minus gmm upon m r. So gravitational potential energy of a body is negative. It means body is in field of earth, that is bound to the earth. So this work done is equivalent to gravitational potential energy. So unit of gravitational potential energy, that is, as we know, joule. Dimensional formula of gravitational potential energy, that is m1 L2 T minus 2 equivalent to work done. Unit joule. Dimensional formula m1 L2 T minus 2 equivalent to work done. Next, what is gravitational potential? What is gravitational potential? Work done in bringing a unit mass body from infinity to a particular point. Work done in bringing a body of mass from infinity to a point at a distance r from the center of earth, that work done, as we know, minus gmm upon r. But gravitational potential, that is equal to ratio of work done divided by mass of the body that is taken out from infinity to a particular point in the gravitational field of the earth. This work done divided by the mass of the body, which is equivalent to gravitational potential. So gravitational potential gravitational potential that is work done divided by mass of the body that is taken out from infinity to a particular point. Work done, as we know, minus gmm divided by r divided by the mass of this body that is taken from infinity to a at particular point, and mass of the body, m cancel out. So gravitational potential, that is equal to minus gm upon r. Unit of gravitational potential, unit of work done, as we know, joule. Unit of mass, that is kilogram. So joule divided by kilogram, joule per kilogram. Unit in CGS system, as we know, unit of work done in CGS system, that is arc divided by gram. So arc per gram. Dimensions of gravitational potential. Dimensional formula of work done, that is m1 L2 T minus 2 divided by m mass of the body, that is L2 T minus 2. Dimensions of potentials. Relation between gravitational potential energy and gravitational potential. Next, relation between gravitational potential energy and gravitational potential. Relation between gravitational potential energy. Relation between gravitational potential energy and gravitational potential. As we know, gravitational potential energy, that is equal to minus g m divided by r. Minus g m divided by r. This can be written as minus g m upon r multiplied by mass of the body. Minus g m upon r, as we know, that is gravitational potential. Therefore, gravitational potential energy is equal to gravitational potential V multiplied by the mass of the body. Gravitational potential energy U, that is equal to gravitational potential multiplied by the mass of the body. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please stay tuned for module number 4. Thank you.